Pune is the hub of education in India. The Savitribai Phule Pune University, since its foundation in 1949, is one of the finest universities of higher education and research in India. It is also popularly known as the Oxford of the East. The university houses 53 academic departments. It has about 307 recognized research institutes and 612 affiliated colleges offering degree, postgraduate and undergraduate courses. The SPPU has one of the best campuses in the world with well-planned infrastructure. The university offers a multi- and interdisciplinary educational environment to its students with advanced research facilities. The university attracts large number of foreign students in comparison to all other Indian universities. Around 14,000 students from over 102 countries are studying at the university and its affiliated colleges.
Some of the USPs of this university include the International Center. Much before it's been talked about the International for Higher Education, the university was very proactive, and way back almost 30 years before time, they created the center devoted for the internationalization known as International Center. And there is the largest footprint of foreign students on the campus of the University of Pune.
The International Center of University is located on the campus and plays an important role between foreign students and the university. The International Center assists international students about the various courses, colleges, tuition structure, accommodation and health insurances and many more.
This particular center, we have been promoting internationalization. More than 100 countries and their representative students, they actually seek their admission for their higher education, especially master courses, for which basically the center supports one window sort of a entry system. We take care of their transport, we take care of their lodging, we take care of their medical facilities and so on and so forth. So, and kind of an ecosystem which to a great extent promotes the staying of these students on the campus.
For this, the university has started unique single window system and an online admission process. These facilities have helping in maintaining transparency in the admission process and administrative work, attracting the flow of international students to the university. International Center provides educational opportunities of global standards. It plays an important role in developing and nurturing academic collaborations between the university and overseas partner universities and entities. International Center conducts an intensive course in English language to equip international students with the English language skills essential for pursuing their studies. The International Center also helps to establish two-way mobility for scholars of all disciplines. It functions as a facilitator for liaison and cooperative efforts between SPPU and overseas partners and entities.
There is a great opportunity to newcomers, foreigner students to learn English before starting their courses. in research or health, economic, or in any department in university. International Center provides this facility to teach basic English, go through their research procedure or classes, and then they can be educated easily.
Erasmus Mundus project, and presently there are two capacity building projects where the Savitribai Phule Pune University International Center is active partner. One project specifically focusing on social innovation for Indian locals and Israel communities, where 5 universities from Israel, 4 from Europe and 5 from Indian, we are working on social innovation. I am very happy that we have set up a social innovation lab and this center, as well as a think lab, where the new graduate entrepreneurs, they can share their ideas and thoughts, and we are trying to convert their ideas and thoughts in a product. That is the main purpose of the capacity building project sponsored by the European Commission.
The Erasmus Mundus initiative is one of these, designed to foster institutional cooperations in the field of higher education between the European Commission and India.
Apart from this, our engagement with the Göttingen University is very actively. We also have a Master Euroculture program with the Göttingen University and Groningen University. This is joint master program. The Department of Sociology, 4 to 5 students every year they come and they complete 1 semester in the Department of Sociology. In 2015, we also set up joint collaborative center of collaborative research with the Penn State, and that is also actively conducted by the that center, and this is also run the International Center.
Even sports is one of the important activities of this center. It is a facility center as well as enriching center for the students who come from various countries. It has been a most preferred destination since long back.
The International Center organizes the International Youth Festival to increase networking, cooperation, and encourages familiarity among students of different countries. The festival is graced by the ambassadors of different countries.
I try to be chill, but yes, I love that I'm melting, fell right through the cracks. There's a hero. If you look inside your heart,
you don't stand with back when everything was born. I thought it was a dream, but everything was really gone.
International Center showcases the educational opportunities available at the university. This center is leading learning destination of worldwide repute for international students. We welcome students from all over the world, and we are happy to host these students who we hope will become global citizens and go back to their countries as international representatives, carrying knowledge and wisdom from this ancient civilization and young and modern state back to their countries.